In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Instagram IP ban. Let's get started. First, you'll need to clear cache for the app, so launch settings. Then navigate to the option general. Head over to the option iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram. Once you find it, launch it. Now click on Offload app. Again, click on Offload app to confirm it. Now in the Android device, press and hold on the Instagram app, select the option app info, click on storage, then click on clear cache and confirm it. Next, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. This might fix your issue. If you still face the IP ban error, then it might be a temporary restriction from Instagram due to suspicious activity. In that case, the best option is to wait for 24 to 48 hours, as the ban often lifts automatically. If the issue still continues, after waiting, you can report to Instagram support team. So launch Instagram, go to Settings and Activity page, scroll down, navigate to the option Help, then click on the option Report a Technical Problem. Click on Report Problem without checking. Click on the option Don't Include and Continue. Now here briefly explain about the issue and send it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram IP ban issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.